In the 1970s, science was advancing rapidly around the world, bringing new opportunities. By 1978, Microsoft had already been in business for 2 years, and in Germany, digital printing was replacing printing presses. The world's first mobile phone network was already up and running, and 70% of homes in the developed countries had television. The European community had adopted the European currency unit, and the tide of economic globalization was rising. The 4 Asian tigers were growing rapidly, with Singapore's GNP per capita already reaching $3,000. China, despite being home to a quarter of the world's population, accounted for just 1.8% of economic output and 0.75% of exports. That year, the Chinese government sent delegations on study tours to various parts of the world. In the course of little more than a month, Premier Gu Mu led a delegation to 5 countries, including France, Switzerland, and West Germany. They visited factories, mines, and ports. The delegation was later given the nickname Vanguard of China's opening up to the world. It was with a sense of shock that the Chinese people got their first real view of the world. Highways like those in Western Europe, 30 meters wide and designed for speeds in excess of 100 kilometers an hour, were non-existent in China at the time.